Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 72 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler. In this issue, we're continuing or starting the other side window, side of the canopy. After looking at the car of the future. I don't know what that is. Let's have a quick look. Less than a year after introducing two new Batmobiles in the comics, the artist was third in 1989 in Detective Comics number 601. Futuristic Batman car. Right, I quite like it. It's definitely vibes of Batman car. So yeah. Okay, looking at Prodigal in the Batman comics year by year. Yeah, I'm not going to read all of that, but there's that. So that's quite almost monochrome artwork there, quite nice. So yes, this is easy. We've done this before. All we're doing is popping the window in place, making sure it locates in there. Just the little pegs that hold that in place for that, and preparing for next time when we've got the bottom bit to put onto it. Again, nice and easy. A lot of these bits this time are quite easy, straightforward things to do. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get to it. Yep, there we have the two parts, the metal obviously framework and the interior window, which has obviously got a undercut there, which locates in place in the window, and we've got multiple little pegs sticking out around the edge, which are the ones that are going to locate into the frame. Hopefully not need any gluing or anything to hold them in place. Not sure that feels 100% installed. Yeah, okay. I mean, if you push it, you've got to push it quite hard, it's still not coming out. So yeah, that's obviously good enough. I'm happy enough with that. We'll obviously be playing around with this for a while before we're not able to get to the inside of it. So if there is a problem, we'll locate it and find it then. But this is the left side, I believe, going forward. All good. Not bad at all. So yeah, next time, as I say, I've got the bottom section to add to that. And then the time after, we're doing the time we did before, but on the other side. So yeah. Right, that's that one. Another issue done. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.